So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to use TikTok Studio on TikTok. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the TikTok app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and make sure you have logged into your account. So let's open it. So here is your home screen. You can see the profile icon at the top, at the down button of your screen. Click on it. After this is your profile where you can see TikTok Studio. Click on it and you can view your analytics here. Here you can see your content, you can see your viewers, your followers and your live, and also you can see how to grow your account or how to monetize your account and all these features of TikTok. So that's it. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.